high-pinion Dana 44 out of a Rubicon Jeep JK. Putting heavy-duty lower controller and brackets on it. Putting C-gussets on it to reinforce the gusset. Putting the heavy-duty track bar on it. Putting the truss in it. Making it to where it can actually handle the abuse with 4340 Yukon chromoly axles, 513 gears, an Eaton ELocker. It'll handle a 40-inch tire with no problem.
Nice.
All reinforced inner tube. Gonna welding all the way around because these have a problem with the third member spinning in the tubes. Because all they have is these little plug welds that hold them. So once you put the gusset in it, weld them all the way around. This is not welded yet, but we'll weld them all the way around and it creates a whole uniform, solid member.
Cool.